In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to copy a color from an image in Canva. This is a quick, reliable way to make your designs look polished and cohesive by matching text, shapes, or icons to a color that already exists in your photo or graphic. You'll be able to pull an exact shade straight from your image and apply it instantly, without guessing or using trial and error. Start by going to your project in Canva so your design is open on the canvas. Make sure the image that contains the color you want to use is visible in your design. Now, click to select the element you want to recolor. This could be a block of text, a shape, a button, or an icon. Selecting the element first tells Canva where to apply the color you're about to pick. With that element selected, open the color settings for it. You'll see a color tile or color picker in the top toolbar. For shapes and icons, it looks like a colored square. And for text, it appears next to the font options. Click that to bring up the color panel. In the color panel, look for the section labeled Document Colors. Under that section, click the plus sign. This opens the custom color controls and reveals the eyedropper tool, which is what lets you sample a color from anywhere on your canvas. Click the eyedropper tool. Your cursor will change to indicate color picking mode. Now move your cursor over to the image on your canvas and hover over the exact area that has the color you want. Take your time here. If you need precision, zoom in so you can target the right pixel and avoid nearby shades or shadows. As you move, you'll see the preview update so you can confirm you're sampling the right hue. When you've positioned the cursor over the color you want, click once. Canva immediately applies that exact color to the element you selected earlier. You'll also see that color appear in your document colors, making it easy to reuse the same shade on other elements in the same design. That's all there is to it. Open your project, select the element you want to recolor, open its color settings, click the plus sign under Document Colors, choose the eyedropper, and then click the color on your image. It's a simple workflow that ensures every part of your design feels consistent and intentional. If you're matching brand aesthetics or fine-tuning a mood, this method keeps your palette accurate without any guesswork. Try it out on a headline, a button, or an icon, and watch your design come together with perfectly matched colors.